I'm Dan Williams. I'm Head of Product at Cambridge Intelligence, and I'd like to talk to you about why graph and timeline visualization belong on your product roadmap. Before I do that, let's think about products that haven't invested in visualization. Without a strong visual element, I think it can be really difficult to stand out from the crowd and give your products a unique identity. If you're in a competitive market, such as cybersecurity or supply chain, your customers and investors will be struggling to tell hundreds of competing products apart. But adding a visualization is about more than just eye candy. Humans are visual learners, and the insight you get from a picture, the context and situational awareness cannot be replicated in just tables and lists. Without a visualization, you're providing information to users, but you're not helping them generate true insight. So by using best-in-class graph or network visualization components in your products, you can bring this visual element to your users without committing huge resources attempting to develop similar functionality in-house. So what are the places where these visualizations can bring value to your customers? One of the main areas is helping your users understand large data sets, from social networks to supply chains and IT network topologies, giving them a bird's eye view of the data without being overwhelmed with detail. As the complexity of the systems we build increases, explainability becomes more and more important. As well as a top-down view, we often hear customers telling us their products need a more focused approach, starting from a single node and working outwards. In domains like cybersecurity, analysts just need to know what just happened, what's impacted, and what do I need to do. And the same is true if you're developing solutions for anti-money laundering, cryptocurrency forensics, criminal investigation, or financial compliance. An end user needs to be able to cut through the noise and understand how the person or bank account they're interested in is connected to the wider world. Of course, if you're a product manager, you know that all the features in the world aren't enough if they don't help users actually get their work done easier than before. So a good graph visualization component will support end-to-end workflows, from data exploration right through to annotating and preparing snapshot images for sharing, collaboration, and downstream reporting. The best graph visualization libraries, they'll give you all of that out of the box, letting your teams focus on the domain-specific value add that your company does best. Finally, let's take a look at timeline visualization. So Chronograph originated from the powerful analysis tools of the security sector and intelligence community. It's new and exciting. I don't think there's anything like it out there on the market. It's a unique visualization that generates timelines of connected events, which are insightful at any zoom level, whether you're viewing 100,000 events or just a single phone call. Your products can use it to show alerts in context so that users get situational awareness of what happened and when. Or you can show patterns such as unusual activity at certain hours of the day or busy periods that preceded an incident to support root cause analysis. Whatever you're using it for, Chronograph will give your products a beautiful, distinctive visualization that can set you apart from the competition and establish your organization as innovators in your space. To me, there's nothing more satisfying than de-risking your roadmap by using best-in-class components that have been designed with your use cases in mind. And if these are the problems you want to solve for your customers, then using Cambridge Intelligence's toolkits will give you the very best of timeline and graph visualization in your products at a fraction of the time and cost of developing them from scratch. We'll talk more about return on investment in the next video, but if you like what you see, you can sign up today for a free trial and see for yourself what our toolkits can do for your product roadmap.